Hi there, in this video, I will be giving you a quick guide on how you can connect SSL in Crazy Domains to WordPress. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So after you log into your Crazy Domains account, what you will do is go to SSL SSL certificate. So it should be right here under security. So just go ahead and click SSL certificates. And once you're here, what you will do is either activate SSL or click secure now. So just click that. And of course, you have to make sure that you have purchased an SSL before actually proceeding to the next steps. And after you purchase, what you will do is follow the certificate setup instructions, copy CSR if needed, and in WordPress, you will just have to go to the settings and then you will go to SSL and HTTPS plugin and install the certificate. And then after all that, you will just have to verify secure connection and the website will show HTTPS. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.